You ever hit a bank before, Franklin?
Yeah, I was the driver on the job my boy Lamar pulled. Guess it's the same kind of shit we doing now, right?
Nice, bro. What was the take?
Shit, I don't know, man. I can't remember.
Come on. Everyone remembers their first score.
Shit, not me.
Mikey, bro, what was your first bank score?
88, outskirts of Carcer City. Took a small franchise for 10G. Yeah, things were easier back then.
Yeah, 25 years ago. Jesus! Jeff, will you tell these gentlemen about your first job?
T, man. You could just as easily.
You tell them! I'll do a sanity check.
Trevor, the ultimate judge of sanity.
Well, it was, part of the interview process, I guess is how you'd call it. Trevor knew I could cook, wanted to see if I could handle myself. This cash for gold guy comes through town. Stood to reason he had funds. Next thing, we're burying him and his bodyguard in the junkyard. Well, most of them anyhow.
50K. He did fine. He's better at all aspects of the job now, from killing to dismemberment. Then, your turn to share, kid.
I told you I don't remember the details, man.
Leave him alone, Trevor.
This is an important moment, Michael. Here we are, on our way to almost certain death, bonding, pouring our hearts out, and this guy is sitting here, soaking it up and giving nothing in return.
Hey, if he don't remember...
If he don't remember, I'm supposed to trust this man with my life, and he don't trust me with the details of his first bank job?
Well, how about you? Why don't you share with the group? I'm here, I'll back the facts.
The checks cash place? I went in, took him for $8 grand, walked out.
Yeah, it was a bit more complicated than that though, wasn't it, T?
Maybe I knew the guy. Maybe he ID'd me.
Maybe you did 6 months.
Maybe I was out in 4, and that, children, is why we don't leave witnesses.
That, children, is why you don't rob people that you know.
Franklin, share?
Yeah, come on, kid. It can't be worse than Trevor's.
Alright, man, shit. Okay, the score was like 2 stacks, man.
2G? Take home on your first gig? That ain't bad, man.
Man, the whole score was 2 stacks. Only I didn't see none of that shit. Dye pack went off, home. Money was useless then.
Dye pack? You amateur!
I knew I shouldn't have told you shit.
Hey, Franklin, we all gotta start somewhere.
Last time I tell your ass something.
Ow, come on. Don't be so cold, man. Learn to laugh at yourself. You're in danger of turning into this man.
Who, me?
Yeah, you. Wouldn't laugh, wouldn't hang out. I've got my work, I've got my life, and never the two shall meet. If we're risking our asses, we gotta be family. How about that, dye pack?
Alright, Frank. We're gonna drop you up here, okay? When you hear it kick off, get ready, because we're gonna want to go ASAP.
I'm on getaway, man. I'll do it.
Alright, you know where you gotta be?
I got it down.
I'll bring a dye pack just for you!
We ready for this?
I could use a restroom break.
And risk getting ID'd. You're an idiot.
I gotta go! It's number 2!
Alright, we all good? Let's hit 'em!
If we're gonna hit it, let's hit it! We want a few minutes of your time! Get down!
You getting off on this, little man? Today's going one of 2 ways, friends. Everyone on the floor! Now! You and you! Out from behind the counter! That's it! Hands in the air!
Door's ready to pop! Come kick it in, Em!
On the floor!
If I ever meet this alarm guy, fucking shoot him.
Not if I get to him first.
Yeah.
Stay back! We got hostages!
Tell the sheriff the 211 is confirmed. We're gonna need everything we got down here.
Sheriff's here. We never could have beaten that response.
There's other ways of beating it.
Move it! Follow procedure!
Get the ride to the airport!
I don't care if they surrender. I'm killing me some bad guys.
Now let the hostages go, and we'll talk like gentlemen.
Time to face the music! Ah!
Sweet mother shit.
We got eyes on the front. We're in pursuit.
I got a minigun, you humor! Chopper! T! Down the bird! If they stop! Look out! It's coming down! Hear that, guys? Shit! We aren't getting out on the water!
We're not going through this, not with 50 pounds of gear. Blast it!
Over there! Move it up! Take down the fence, bro! Time to go! Come on! Bring the fence down!
Lay down your weapon.
Don't fence me in!
It might be the glass I hit before, but I'm sweating in this suit. I'm swimming in this thing.
Plow through it!
There is no way out.
Hey, Frank! We need another escape route! Can you find a vehicle? Something that might stand up to gunfire! Keep behind the car! We gotta push through that roadblock!
We got a nukes unit in Shitsville?
That'll do it!
Punch a hole!
Look like you run into him.
Hey! We're taking this score to buy one of them unwieldy motherfuckers! They got the army on us! Body armor! It's too heavy! You wanna play dead? We won't be playing! Hey! Hey! Through here! Right along! Ah! Fine! Ah, shit! The fucking army!
They paid off the military. Shit.
I respect your service, but can you fuck off?
I know you're being paid to be here.
War vehicle! So this is where our defense spending goes!
T, man, they're fighting an attack.
We got
A visual on the
move it! Like right now!
I'm on my way.
You okay?
I ain't dead yet. I'm on my way.
Citizens reporting a 503 at Toledo Bay, PCC construction site. Possible suspect seen heading west in a bulldozer.
Shoot! Can't point, they tough!
Hold it here! It's getting hairy over here!
It's hairy over here too, man! Chill! Hey, I'm here!
There's a ride!
Good kid.
Go, 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 go!
Fuck me in the ass!
Go left! There's another tank coming from the right!
Hey, quiet disturbance, Paul!
Ah, shit. Well, you know me and Trevor. Wherever we go,
That's one way of putting it. Hey, hold on! That tank don't look too friendly.
that's the tank we saw getting an airlift. Running for the factory's our only shot. The platform, let's go.
We're located in pursuit.
Shit,
They're all over us!
This way, through the warehouse!
Stay behind me, kid. I got the armor. Keep me in cover, Frank. You don't want to get out front.
How's the dive pack?
Team, come in! I'm trying to hold these guys. Where are you?
Chicken factory to get away from the tanks.
Chicken factory? Oh, I see it! Officer requested backup now!
How you holding up, kid? There's even more of these bastards!
Watch the grenade!
Come on! How about they shoot you, Fred?
Keep going!
There's a ground team on the way to the factory and it might be able to get the drop on them.
All right, you do what you can do, Chef. I'm trying to get hired for the job. There's some guys trying to get in here. Chef's holding them off. Might give us the window we need to jump a train. Hey, let's get that train.
I think there's more than one of me! Fall back!
Okay. Hey, slip out of town and follow Lester for instructions. I got news. You're wasting a Trevor filling tank, my friend. Chef, call us back, people. Let's get our train.
Look out! Into the warehouse!
Last call. Could be our only way out of here.
What the?
Here we go. Right here. Get on. Ah. Ah. Fucking it. Let's go.
Easy, easy! I'm a friendly. Agent Sanchez.
Our very own corrupt G-man in training.
You gotta be careful, buddy, all right? Because they are looking around these trains for illegals. And if you're mistaken, you'll be shot, amigo.
Very amusing.
Yeah, if you expecting them two to bring you up, you're gonna be disappointed, homie.
Right back at you. Got the money?
Everything we got.
Okay. Here's your cut. Considering present scrutiny on public worker remuneration, this is a big win.
Oh yeah, that's a huge fucking win. Woo!
Monsters.
I'm out. Agent Haynes will get in touch with you once Operation Save the World's ago. Get your crew together, okay?